Hi. So, I'm doing a quick mail kind of thing. Now, I don't know. I know what these are. I don't know what this is. It could be a couple things. If it goes out of focus, it's because it's, yeah, it doesn't matter. Because, yeah, my hand moves. Anyway, so, I know what these are. So, I'm kind of like, do I open this first, or I open this first?
The mailing envelope thing that your right hand's on.
The stuff. Okay.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, it's got... I know what these are, so... I hope, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure, but... Anyway, can you open Amazon packages, right? Ha! Yeah. Yes, this is what... Yeah, so we can move away from the moment. So...
Open that.
Yes.
I saw that on Amazon, I thought, that is so gen.
So, I'm gonna have to move things.
Yes, you are.
So, move that over there. So,
and then move those into
so it's up.
text.
I have ADHD, right?
Right. And then
I ask... Oh, damn it, what did I just say?
no, is that still recording?
Is it? Okay.
Okay, just click
Yeah,
off.
take a photo. Yeah.
And hit screenshot that.
I ask a lot of questions.
Ask a lot of questions.
Yeah, and of course, it's an axolotl. They're so cool. I know there's kind of a, the pet trait about them. It's kind of iffy, but they are cool, and it's me. It is me.
Pull it back a little bit just so.
And it's pink, and what,
Just
this
so
way?
yeah, so they fit full text.
I'm trying to. It's just not for him.
You put my arm there.
If you go like that, then we can.
See, look.
Oh, okay, perfect.
I'll bring that back a bit. There you go.
Okay, so
And then we'll just drag.
pull it up.
Yeah.
We'll just go like this.
Yeah.
That works. See, there.
And then just off the.
Oh.
Just back. No, other way.
Oh, other way. Yeah.
Yeah, just there.
Sort of. Yeah, that's close enough. So you see the whole thing. Yeah.
It's all upside down for people, but
I can flip it if I need to. So yeah, I was like, I need to have this. I need a couple of t-shirts anyway. I just bought this one.
I saw that. I thought, yeah, that's very new. And for somebody who hated pink when I met her, I'll never wear pink. I don't like pink.
And I dyed my hair. I'm gonna dye my hair pink again. Yeah, we're cutting it and stuff. So these are kind of almost pointless.
Open them.
Oh, I did it! Huh! I'm shocked.
Come on.
I know. So these are hair elastics / bracelets.
Hold them so people can see.
I know, I'm trying to...
You're waving, no, just hold it still.
Yeah, see, so, see? Go this way. So, the thing is, though, I'm cutting my hair shorter. But,
Not that much.
no, I could probably put in, like, little pigtails, or a little, ball, like, a little bun, not buns, but little, like, just side things. So, and then I'm gonna bleach the ends, like, balayage, the thing of it. And, so not bleach, more like dye, and then dye it pink. And then, of course, dye like the white streaks on my hair pink too, because I think that'll look kind of cool. If it doesn't, well, then it fades eventually. Really does. So this is what I don't know what it is. It's one of a few things.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
from,
I think this is actually.
Ah,
that's what this is. Okay, zombie kittens, but also exploding kittens. Because I've been looking for simple games we could play. Quick games, whatever, that were fun and amusing and stuff. So, yeah, zombie kittens. I got this one first, because you need this one usually. Right?
You don't, definitely.
Yeah. And you could just have this one. You could just have this one. But I was like, you know what?
Can you put up and hold it still?
Oh, too close. There we go. Oh, that way. It's because of the lights. But yeah, so, right? And then, I got this one to add this way to it. Right? So you can combine the two. You can use this one and stuff. And you can get other add-ons for it. But for the moment, we'll just keep it with these.
You can see how active Jen's Discord is.
Yeah, this beep, I know it's going up. It could be a few things going up. I don't know if it's, it could be Kelsey's, it could be,
a million more.
It could be a million. Yeah, well, no, there's about 7 or 8 that I post regularly in. So who knows which one it is. So, but also, the John got a new Speedo. I think it's Speedo.
Yes, Speedo. Yeah,
it's a UK thing. Yeah, so, put them there.
It's a European thing. These were common in the States
as
well.
But it's very colourful and retro.
This kind of pattern ever for selling retail, whatever.
So yeah.
I just happened to see on eBay, and I was like, I have to have this.
It's quite nice.
And it's got this reference to Sex Pistols, even like Never Mind the Speedo.
Yeah.
It's like the
Never Mind the Buzzcocks
album, yeah.
I didn't notice it,
And then there's like an explosion symbol. There's reminds like Brainiac, the TV shows, and then
kind of, yeah.
Swim, repeat, eat, sleep, swim, you know, and then
what else is on here? We
Life
got
in the Fast Lane.
Shut Up and Swim.
Yeah, look here. Life in the Fast Lane.
It's upside down, but that's okay.
Well, you can flip it and pose.
No, it's upside down in the Speedo, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, okay.
What else we got on here? What is this one? Speedo. International. What else we got?
There's like a Surf's Up, dude.
What else we got on here? I think it's the same thing on the back. Hit that button again.
Yeah, I don't know how you're hitting that
That was
button.
my elbow. Never
Mind the
Speedo, so never mind the
Speedo,
Buzzcocks thing.
so-
Then you got Speedo on the back and stuff.
Barcode.
Yeah, so it's quite cool. And then
Yeah.
and a peace sign. I didn't notice that one.
Yeah.
Anarchy symbol.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's quite cool. Actually, it's quite nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Never seen anything like
no,
that.
I knew it buy actually. Nice little
It was
color.
going to be unwrapped, but then,
Yeah.
you know, I said, what was you unwrapped?
But
and
it's
you're
so
like,
cool.
you have to wear this.
So yeah, so I have a
They've
few more
kind of
things.
grown on you, haven't they?
Yeah, they're quite cool. So yeah.
Because what was a couple of years ago, you're like, you would look odd in swim shorts.
Yeah, you would.
That's what she said to me. I'm like,
Yeah.
I never thought I'd hear
Yeah,
that.
so I mean, like I said, they're so it should be fun to play. I have other card games too, and eventually I'll probably get a couple of things. We have other games to play and stuff. But so yeah, I have more things coming. There's only 1, 2 or 3 left, I think. Yeah, so they should be here in the next few days. So I'll put them up too, just because it's a quick video. So yeah, the next things that are coming that are sort of, one of them's art related, possibly 2. One is, it'll be a surprise. We'll just leave the other one as a surprise. You know? Complete surprise. I won't even tell what it's for. So yeah, next video will be either a Dragon Short, because I took a 2-day break from that because I had like Dragon, damn it, I can't think of the word. Overload? I don't know. Fatigue. That's better. And, so I took it 2 days off. Also, I'm taking steroids, which is probably why I'm really, like, rambling and talking even more faster than normal. Because they make you really kind of excited. Because my MS has flared up, so they gave them to me. So I got 3 more days of them left. So, yay! Migraine, numb hands, because my fingers and my hands are numb. Numb leg. My vision's kind of got, like, sort of optic neuritis. But we think we caught it in time, so it's not going to actually develop into, like, full-blown optic neuritis, thankfully. And which is fun. It's great. But of course, I didn't sleep last night, which is another reason I'm probably talking really fast. And I probably won't sleep tonight because what usually happens, I don't sleep for 2 days, and then the 3rd day, I just pass out because they make you really awake. We'll say that. So, like I said, I'll be back. So you don't have to like. Well, it'd be nice if you'd like, share, and subscribe to this. Leave a comment if you want. It's always nice people do that. And I think I figured out the comments because I changed the channel name to my name, which the last video I posted seemed to help, so maybe that's what it was. I don't know. But either way, I'll leave it like that to see what happens. And cross my fingers that it continues. And so yeah,